Hi, I'm Mel from 2 Sleepheads, and today I'm going to show you how to create this design that someone asked us to do on TikTok. It says graphic design is my passion. Obviously, this is from a meme, we know that, and let's show you how to do this design. Let's go! Okay, first up, same thing, we just create the background. Let's change it to blue. This is going to be a very colorful design because we did it during Pride Month and I wanted it to be colorful. So we create different rectangles for the background. This is the easy part. Just to fill up the sides in rectangular shapes and to create text to input into these rectangular shapes. You can be a very precise designer and measure all your rectangles to the exact size that you want. You can type in the measurement, but for us we just do a really quick one. So this is how we adjust the rectangle. Not precise, but it's really up to you depending on what kind of designer you are. Sometimes we just play around with things. We're not even sure if it will work, but eventually it does. It looks pretty alright. Sometimes it doesn't look very right. And we get comments, mean comments for that, and we're okay with that too. Because we're always learning and understanding. I'm creating enough rectangular box so that I can put the words graphic design is my passion into this individual, each word into the individual rectangle. So I'm trying to make sure that each rectangle size can fit the word. Now let's type the word graphic. Change the font. Let's use bold, our favorite font. Change the color. Now we duplicate and write the word design. We're gonna use it on the pink side, but of course you can't use yellow on the pink. So we're gonna change text color as well to blue. Okay, so now we have graphic design. Okay, this looks good. In the little blue box, change it to red. Okay, no, blue looks better. Okay, let's shift it to in the middle. Now duplicate and we use mine in the orange box and change the text color to green. Yeah, I guess we need to shift it so that it fits. No, it's funny. Okay, the last one will be passion, so we place it in the purple area. So graphic design is my passion. So is graphic design your passion? Let us know in the comments below. Okay, so now we're changing the colors so that it looks pretty awesome. So for the middle part, we want to make like a heart shape. Just for fun, just to show how much we love graphic design. That's all. I just shift rectangle. So this is the problem when you don't measure your design. You just shift it until it looks good. Okay, now we use the rounded rectangular tool when you do the heart shape. So you have to round the corners and duplicate this shape. And now we're gonna shift it to an angle so that we can make it into a heart shape. This is one of the ways to create a heart shape. Of course, this doesn't really look like a heart shape, but we want it to be a little more abstract than just a heart. So this is our heart shape. Looks like a finger heart shape, if you know what I mean. And now we go to Pathfinder 2 and we make them become one shape. Okay, cool. So this is our shape. I know it looks like a boomerang, but I think it's pretty cute. I think I like the shape. Alright, now we go to object, offset the path, we duplicate one. So the one at the back of this heart shape is blue, so we duplicated the shape and went to object and offset the path. So then we can have a layer, and then we do the same again. We copy and paste it to the back, and then we offset path again, and this time around it will be at the back, and we change the color. So now we have layers and layers of the heart shape. You can see it. So this is pretty simple. Just duplicate shape again. It's just 3 steps. Copy, paste, change the color, path, offset path, and we get the outline. Yeah, so now we have 4 layers of the heart shape. Select the 4 layers. So we select the heart shape and group them together. Now we create eyes for the heart, because that would be pretty cute. So 2 round circles, make it pink. Now we're gonna do eyes. I think we just make the big circle. It's a little bit too big. Let's let that be the cheeks. And 2 yellow eyes, and now we draw the mouth using the pen tool. You can use other tools to draw the mouth as well if you know. but let's just use the pen tool and adjust the stroke accordingly. I think it's pretty cute. What do you think about this heart shape? Let us know in the comments below. Okay, now I'm gonna expand this stroke so that it becomes an object. Alright, this is how it looks like. Now we're gonna select the heart shape. I'm gonna use this tool that is really lagging on my computer actually, but we just love it. It's a 3D inflate tool to inflate the heart shape. See, so cute, right? So once we click inflate, we can adjust the depth as well as the volume of it so that it doesn't look like a little bit too bouncy and make it a little bit flatter. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. So now we select the cheeks and inflate it as well. So there's a little bit of depth to it. You cannot really see it, but it's there. Yes, it takes a while. Yeah, so as you can see, like there's a little 3D effect to the cheeks, which is pretty cute. You can do that to the other features as well if you want. So if you're using a laptop, beware that this is going to be a little laggy on your computer, but it's worth it. It's super cute. See, this is how it looks like. So at the end of it, you're supposed to select all of it and click render, but we're not going to do that because that would just lag out my comp. Adjust the depth a little bit more. I think that's it. This is the design. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below if you like this design and if you want more of the 3D design. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Do follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also visit our website. And drop us an email or DM if you need any help with creative services, such as branding for your brand or your packaging design, social media, creating banners, creating EDMs, creating websites. Just let us know. And also if you want to learn how to better your design skills, to like this video, hit the like, subscribe button, and that's all. Till next time. Bye!